Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome to this writing lesson. Today we will write to review transportation words and how questions.
Great. I am ready to practice writing.
First, in listen and write, you listen to a short text and write the words you hear. Second, in make a sentence, you use given words to create your own simple sentences.
I like writing short sentences.
Good. Writing helps you use old vocabulary in a real way. Let us start with listen and write. Listen and write. This activity is a dictation. I will read a text aloud, and you write what you hear.
Okay. I will listen carefully and write.
Listen to the whole text means you first hear all the text for a first contact. Write what you hear means you write the words during the dictation. Check and correct means you compare your writing with the original text and fix mistakes. Keep your paper ready and do not worry about small mistakes.
I can correct them after the dictation.
Now get your pencil ready and let us begin the dictation. Today, Mia goes to school by bus. Her brother rides a bike to the park. At noon, they ask how much a taxi is. It is too much, so they take the subway home. How many stops are there? There are 4 stops. Now I will read the text slowly, part by part. Nexo, are you ready to write?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let us start writing now. Today, Mia goes to school by bus. Her brother rides a bike to the park. At noon. They ask how much a taxi is. It is too much. So they take the subway home. How many stops are there? There are 4 stops. Well done, everyone. You finished the dictation. Nexo, how was it for you?
It was good, but I need to check some words.
Now, compare your writing with the original text and correct your mistakes. Make a sentence. Now, we will build 6 sentences, one for each main word. You can use 20 helper words and try to use how questions when they fit.
I will make simple and clear sentences.
See an example means we will listen to Nexo do the exercise first. Make your sentences means you create your own sentences with the main words and helper words. Nexo, are you ready to show an example?
Yes, I am ready to make sentences. Car. How fast is your car? Bus. How much is the bus ticket? Train. How do you go to the city by train? Bike. How old is your bike? Plane. How big is the plane? Taxi. How much is a taxi?
Excellent, Nexo. Your examples are clear. Now it is your turn to write 6 sentences. Pause the video and complete the 6 sentences. Good job. Good job. You finished all 6 sentences. You practiced transportation words and how questions through writing. See you in the next writing lesson.